where do you live currently, Abhi?
I live in Bombay.
You live in Bombay. How is Bombay treating you?
Bombay, it's my home. It's home for me.
So if I give you an option कि यार आपको कहीं और शिफ्ट होना है इंडिया में
नहीं
नहीं हो गया
नहीं नहीं नहीं
Not even Delhi.
नहीं 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 मुझे नहीं पसंद है
Delhi
सेफ
से
नहीं है
Okay, why do you feel Delhi is not safe?
I've had episodes in the past where I went through, like couple of situations which I got very, very scared. And even today, whenever I come to Delhi, I come in the morning and I leave in the night. I get that scared, but I have friends over here, like very close friends who lives over here, and they're always like, please come, Larry, come, spend time with us. And I'm like, nah, come to Bombay. Bombay is fun. It's the heart of India.
So can you share one of those instances where you felt unsafe in Delhi?
I almost got kidnapped once
Oh my
in
God.
Delhi. Yeah, by a taxi driver. Yeah, so that incident, it took a toll on me, and I was like, I'm never going back. And
Can you just elaborate that incident a bit?
he didn't. So it was raining a lot. It was a monsoon time, and it was like evening time. So I got the cab. He was not accepting the. There was no Uber. Ola was just like rejecting. So I was like, what do I do? So then I found some cab and I booked that on one of these apps. On the way, he just decided not to take me to the airport, and I was going back to Bombay. So, for the grace of God, I pretended to be like I was talking in Hindi on the phone, pretending to be with a cop, and he kind of started getting scared. And I don't know, I think it was an angel or it was literally, I think all the gods from India and worldwide was just literally protecting me in that moment, because a police car came behind us. And I started saying that, acha, aap aa gaya. So then he was like, oh, she actually called the cops. And the car was behind me and he started getting scared. And I was like, ha, wo blue shirt pehna do. I was just telling the cops like exactly he was wearing the earphones and this and that. So then he kind of got scared. And I was like, if you don't take me now, you're gonna get arrested. So, but I didn't have a cop on the call. I was bluffing. So then he changed the route and thankfully I reached safe.
And that is very smart of you कि आपने इतना sensibly you handled the entire situation. That's so sensible and so intelligent of you. And obviously we call Delhi mein that girls are unsafe and everything, but with time I feel, because I've been living in Delhi since last 3 years, so yes, of course I feel कि situation better हो रही है. Of course it is not the best in comparison to Bombay, it is not.